past, the only great one left. Flacco the Great, you know? Yo, man, we running out of opponents in this thing right here, you know what I mean? But I'm disappointed in one. I'm mad at this one motherfucker. I think I'm gonna have to smash this nigga. Let's go. I used to zone out in front of my building with you, but now you gone soft, ain't no realness in you. When I hear you now, it's like I don't even know you. How you letting these rich executives just control you and mold you into a puppet wearing tight pants? All you wanna do is dance. You done traveled to France and forgot where you came from, the heart of the streets. Now cause of you, they got their own special police. You got the world's attention, but what are you saying? They call us the game, but who are you playing? Just yourself. See, it's all about the wealth, then you need help. I got the belt because my presence is felt. And it's a couple things you need to think about, B. I'm bringing you back. Where would you be without me? That's why the whole world, they been feeling my zone. Ain't never been an MC like Sirius Jones. I try to be humble, but these rappers is lame. It ain't nobody left, so I'ma battle the game. If you slow and you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm coming at hip-hop. Yeah, I'm calling you out.